Lego Haunted House, 10,273. If you love ghosts, ghouls, and things that go bump in the night, we've got a treat for you. The Lego Haunted House, 10,273. Take time out of everyday life and explore something extraordinary as you discover the thrills and surprises packed into this stunning building project. Spookily good details bring the story to life. Take your time building this impressive haunted house model, before exploring all the intricate details hidden within. The house opens up, making it easy to explore inside, where you'll discover a working free-fall ride plus automatic doors at the top of the tower. See the haunted front doors close for a spooky effect. Add the Lego powered-up components, available separately, to control the lift via the powered-up app. A building project that's full of thrills. This haunted house is part of a collection of Lego building kits for adults who appreciate clever design. This model also makes a scarily good gift, birthday present, or Christmas gift. We have introduced new packaging for adult builders to make it easier to find products related to their interests and passions. Be it sports, film, art, vehicles, landmark buildings, or fairground icons, Lego sets bring these to life in brick form. With the new packaging clearly showcasing which interest each product relates to, we took the decision to discontinue creator expert branding. While the brand won't be featured on future packaging and in communication, our product range will continue to include the same advanced build, collectible sets, guaranteeing hours of building enjoyment. This creepy Lego Haunted House, 10,273, model provides hours of enjoyment for anyone looking to unwind with a new project. Build the spooky horror house, then explore its impressive features and delightful details. Why should kids get all the fun when it comes to scary toys? This building kit is designed for adults, but it includes lots of playful features, such as a free fall ride, haunted doors, and a cursed painting. If you appreciate beautiful details, you'll love displaying your haunted house model. Upgrade the haunted house with the Lego powered-up components, available separately, to control the lift via the app. Ideal for ghost hunters, thrill seekers, and adult Lego fans alike, this haunted house set makes a great birthday gift for your ghost-loving mom, dad, husband, wife, partner, or friend, and also makes a fun Halloween gift. This dark and spooky haunted manor measures over 68 centimeters high, 25 centimeters wide, and 25 centimeters deep, making it a challenging construction kit for adults and a great brick-built model to display. A battery is included with the light brick in this set, so you can enjoy the illumination right away. To motorize your model, add one X88009 and two X88008 powered-up components, sold separately. This set comes with coffee table-style building instructions to guide and inspire you. Part of a series of inspiring Lego construction kits for adults, designed for Lego building fans and hobbyists who love beautiful design and elegant Lego models. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. If you want to see more videos from Most Gifted, then please subscribe and ring the bell, so you do not miss any new video in the future.